This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and this one is another challenge video where we are going to create a song using only 2 chords. So 2 chords is the only thing I'm able to use as far as chords go. We can add a melody if we want to, but we're gonna stick to 2 chords and we're gonna try to make a song. Also check out the sponsor of today's video, which is catbeast.com. It's a site where you can make your own custom hats. So if you are interested in that, link will be below in the description. Now let's get back to the video. So I'm not exactly sure what type of song I'm going to create. Let's first determine which chords I'm gonna use. So let me just add Nexus here, and let's start with a piano sound. Go to piano roll, and let's create these chords. So I had 2 chords in mind. So I think this is C and a G. Okay, so those are our 2 chords, C minor and G major. Of course, the G major is in a different order. As you can see, it's really simple to play on the piano as well, because you just change one note and it's a different chord. Those are the 2 chords we are going to be using in this video, and let's see what kind of song we can create. So right off the bat, I'm thinking more towards a slow song, like kind of a chill out beat, or maybe a little bit of ambient hip hop or something like that. Let's look for some sounds. Let me actually go to Serum. Now let's choose a sound for the chords, I guess. And I'm thinking, I really like this pack by Echo Sounds. It's called Coda. I use it quite a lot. Let's test out a few sounds. Definitely not that one. That's pretty good, but let's see. Maybe I'll transpose the chords, which means the 2 chords we are going to be using will be F minor and C major. Maybe I'll go here. Yeah, so I decided to transpose the chords. It's gonna depend on the sound we choose, in what key we want the chords. Basically, the chords stay the same, but they are just gonna be transposed. So maybe we're gonna use G minor and E major instead. So those will be the chords. I kind of like this, but without the pluck. Yeah. Something like that. Let's start it off with something like this. So yeah, just to remind you, our 2 chords are G minor and E major. Hopefully we can make something good, so I can show you that you don't need complex chord progressions to create a good song. And I need some ambient loop in the background. Ramzoid's pack. Okay, I do like one loop here. Let me find it. Yeah, this one. But let's slow it down even more. So it's gonna be like this. I don't know what the BPM should be. Maybe 140. Let's put some reverb on this sound, and just like lower the dryness. Make it also stereo. Okay, so that's the beginning, and maybe now we change the sound. Of course, we keep the chords. Let's change the sound though to like this. Just like. Gotta love it. And now we need a cool bass. Oh, that's good actually. Love that bass. Let me create some and put it here. Let's set it to G. Then let's go to Porta, max to 1, enable slide, and let me just create this. Yeah, those could be the bass notes. I mean, it's good, but this sound is a little bit off pitch, but I think it's on purpose. But I don't know if I'm not gonna try a different one here. Oh yeah. Those are good too. Like, I really want to get this sound right. This one is good. But also this one. How about we try to combine both of them? Maybe it will be good. Maybe it will be shit. We'll see. Let me just delete the low frequencies here. Actually, both sounds, don't need them. Okay, let's see. Let's try to do one of the effects I mentioned in my other video, where I record this whole loop and reverse it as well. Let me just record this part. Okay, double click the song jump, delete it, put this in here, and now we reverse it, but also change these two, reverse them as well so they are in the correct order. And now we have this. And let's see if we can somehow implement that in the song. Doesn't really sound good. Maybe like before the drop. Nah. Maybe just a little effect. Yeah, that's pretty good. Actually, let me try to do one more thing. Let's use the gross beat, the basic 10, just like this. Okay, but automate it so it doesn't do it every time. Just in here. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's add the drums now, of course, and see how they work. Let's see how it sounds, but first let's sidechain the bass with the kick. So put the bass on channel 7, kick is on channel 1, mixer track, I mean, and then sidechain to this track. Go to mixer track 7, add a limiter, change to compressor, sidechain, threshold, and ratio. And let's hear it. No, I don't like the kick. There's some, I think we need to maybe lower the pitch of these hi-hats. Or maybe just get rid of them altogether. Yeah, I like that better, but also still not liking the snare, so let's change that. It sounds pretty good. Let's also add some hi-hats. I'm thinking right off the bat we go. Maybe put it higher. And change it at the end the second time. And don't be scared to play around with the pitch of the hi-hats. It might result in some interesting effects. Maybe have this be like this. Probably too much. Okay, that was an accident, but we can leave that in. Okay, let's put it on channel 5 where we have the reverb. But that's too much, so let's put it on a separate channel. Put a little bit of reverb on it, but just a little bit. And lower the dryness. And also make them stereo. And let's hear them in the song. Yeah, the hi-hats really made a big difference, but I'm still not satisfied with the snare.
One eternity later.
Okay, now I had an idea of a melody, so let's try to add a melody in quickly before I forget it. Let me just throw any sound in here and just try to put it in there. Hold on. Yeah, something like this. A different sound for sure. Okay, this sound is not bad, but I need something that is more subtle and more in the background. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let me actually try one more thing to kick off this melody even more right here. Okay, after this adjustment, let's check out the track right now. Enjoy. And that is pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this challenge video where we made a track only using 2 chords. As you can see, music theory and music composition is not the most important thing. Oftentimes it's just the idea and the sounds that you put together. So hopefully you learned something new in this video, and make sure to check out Splice 14-day trial. Link will be in the description, and you can get some of the samples I used today on Splice for free. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.